Nice. In our last module, we have defined the delete product command and implemented the delete product command handler classes, which mark the end of the commands in our project. In this module, we are going to talk about the queries. Okay. A query represents a request to read data. Think of a query as asking a question, give me data. A query must not change state and has no side effect. It returns data either from DTO or view model and can be optimized for reads. Let's go ahead and create our first query. Back to the orderstream.product.application project. Right click the solution name, the project name, select add new folder and name it queries. The first query we need is to fetch all product from the database. So let's select the query folder, add a new folder and call it get all product. Now we select the get all product folder, select add new item and call it get all product query. Okay, this is going to be our first query. Let's remove the unnecessary using and change the internal to public, and also change the class to record. Okay, so here we open a parenthesis and close it right here. Next we do this one. I an enumerable of product DTO. So do we have this one? First of all, let's add the using for the I request mediator. Now there is an error here. The time our namespace name product DTO could not be found. Okay, let's go to our orderstream.product.call project and create a new folder, a new DTO folder. A new folder and call it DTOs. So let's right click on it and create a new class, which will be named product DTO. Okay, let's go to our entity, to our product entity and copy these guys from here. Copy and paste them here. I don't need all this one. They should go. I don't need value object here, so this one should be string. I don't need a private. Private is not needed here, and private is not needed here too. Let's call it this one decimal. This should be equals to default okay, and I will have one last one for currency. Let me just put currency here. I need currency instead. Okay, and put another default here too. Okay, correct. So this is our product DTO. Now we go back to our get all product query and reference it. Let me see it again. Okay, it's not saying it because this one is internal here, so let's change it to public. Correct. We come back here and do this one, so we'll see it now. Okay, this is our get all product query. Next, let's create the get all product query handler. Let's copy it and go to our get all product folder. Add a new class and call it get all product query handler. Okay, so here let's remove the unnecessary usings and change this one to public. What we need here is a request handler and we do this one. Okay, let's add this using for the product detail and implement the interface. Correct. Now let's go to one of our other handlers and copy this guy from here. Let's just copy their constructor, paste it here, change the delete product command handler to get all product command handler. Okay, so this is the handler. Let's go back to the get all product query. Here what we have is the record is immutable. The get all product query describes the intent. I mean our intention. We want to fetch everything from the database, and I request enumerable product detail means return product data. Okay, now this is our handler class. A query handler contains the real logic. It answers how do we fetch this data. Query handlers do not modify the database. They can use repositories, read-only DB context, DAPA, and projection. Correct. Now back here, let's add async here and remove this guy from here. Okay, we do var product is equals to await get all product async, and we pass this to it. Okay, now we want to return our product. We can just do this. Oh, we have errors. Okay, can I implicitly convert type system.collection.generate.enumerable order stream.product call entities.product to okay, an explicit conversion exists. Are you missing cast? Okay, I get it. Here, let's do this one. var all product is equals to, let me rename this one to just product. Okay, product, sure, let me leave it like that. Is equals to product dot select. Okay, it gave me this one. Is equals to product dot select product. I can, okay, product, or I can just put it PRD and put this one exactly same thing here. This is just a form of reference. Yeah. Lambda expression new product DTO ID PID is equals to ID, which is there. Go to definition. We have our ID here. Now we come here. Product name is equals to PID dot product name. Cannot implicitly convert type order stream dot product dot core dot value object dot product name to string. Okay, I see. So here, let's go back to our product entity class. We have product name here, which is a value object. Okay, and here it's saying it cannot be converted. Let's just do this one. Dot and put value here. Okay, this is gone. Now we have product price here. Do we have product price there? Yes, money product price. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have money value object, which is defined here, and has amount and currency. Okay, then we do product price dot amount, and then product price dot currency dot to string. We are good to go. Now I can come here and close this one, do this, and then do this. So if we come here, we'll just call this guy. Okay, we are good to go. But since it's a get all, we need to put the to list here. Okay, and close it like this. Fine. So then we are done with our get all product query handlers. Next, let's work on get product by ID query and its handler.